that builds the space, drawing patterns we embrace. Each tone aligns to find its place. A journey starts, a fearless race. The strings arise, they paint the air. A vivid world beyond compare. Each sound creates what we declare, a melody we all will share. The ground awakens, soft yet bold. A wave of warmth begins to hold. Each note becomes a thread of gold, a timeless story new yet old. The harmony builds strong and high. It reaches far, it will not die. In every tone the truth will lie, a force that moves the endless sky. Feel the rise within the stream, a force that shapes the grandest theme. Tons of sound will weave the way, a symphony where hearts can stay. Each wave aligns without delay, a timeless bond that will not sway. The melody becomes the air, a lasting voice beyond compare. Below the tones, the strength is clear, a guiding path that draws us near. A force that binds what we hold dear, a melody that will appear. Each thread combines to build the whole, a sound that flows and fills the soul. Its waves create what we console, a harmony that makes us whole. Let the sound ignite the flow, a current strong that we all know. The waves recede but never fade, their essence lingers softly laid. Force that knows no end. The melody becomes the air, a lasting voice beyond compare. That builds the space, drawing patterns we embrace. Each tone aligns to find its place. A journey starts, a fearless race. The strings arise, they paint the air. A vivid world beyond compare. Each sound creates what we declare, a melody we all will share. The ground awakens, soft yet bold.